So this video is how to clean a dusty ceiling fan. As you can see, it's completely dusty. And what we're going to do first, we're going to take the fan blades off. Just a Phillips screwdriver. It's easier to clean it that way. And then we're going to vacuum everything around it. And we're going to vacuum the fan. It's actually a Phillips screwdriver or a flathead, I don't know, whatever. On the blades, there's just 2 in each one. As you can see, right into there. And now what we're going to do is take the vacuum with the hose and clean all those like that. And then after that, we're going to clean it with soap and water. Then we're going to take the vacuum cleaner up to that. Good enough. Quick, we got to make this video short. Okay, now start cleaning. So even a 4-year-old can do it.